Hello viewers and welcome to my cooking channel once again. Hope you are all doing good. And today I am here with a wonderful Chinese dish and everyone's favorite chicken fried rice, which is almost everyone's favorite and especially kids' first priority. We can easily prepare at home, that too exact restaurant style. So let's go into the video and have a look on the recipe. Let's boil the rice and cook it up to 90% so that the rice should not stick to each other. If you want, you can even transfer it to the open plate or container to cool down. By the time our rice is cooling down, let's chop some vegetables and get ready. 50 grams of French beans, 50 grams of carrot, 50 grams of cabbage, 50 grams of capsicum and spring onions 50 grams. Since we are making chicken fried rice, I have taken 100 grams of small boneless chicken pieces here, adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some turmeric powder, some red chili powder and salt as per the taste, 1 tablespoon of corn flour and half a spoon of soya sauce. Let's mix well and keep marinated for half an hour to 1 hour. Let's beat 2 eggs and keep them ready, adding some salt. Let's switch on the flame now and let's keep a large kadai or a Chinese wok. If you have a Chinese wok, then it will be better. First, let's add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Allow the oil to heat. Now, let's fry the eggs first. Spread the egg with the help of a spatula in this way. Turn and fry them for only few seconds. We need not over fry them. Before it gets crunchy, let's remove the egg. This is how the restaurants make it. Now let's remove the egg. And in the same pan, let's add some more oil. Around 3 tablespoons of more oil in the same pan or same wok. Now let's shallow fry the marinated chicken pieces, which we kept half an hour ago. Let's fry them. If you use a Chinese wok, then the chicken and the other ingredients will not get stick to the pan or kadai. Then if you don't have a Chinese wok, then you can use a non-stick kadai or non-stick pan. I am using a huge iron kadai here. Now the chicken is done. We have removed the chicken pieces and in the same kadai I have added further 4 tablespoons of refined oil. Let's allow the oil to heat. Now let's add 4 to 5 crushed garlic cloves. Let's saute them for some time, for few seconds, until you smell an aroma. Let's add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Let's saute the onion too for around 1 minute. While making fried rice, we need not overcook any of the ingredients. All the vegetables, including onions, should not lose its crunch. All the vegetables should be only partly cooked or half cooked. So adding the vegetables one by one, French beans, cabbage, carrot and capsicum. Only spring onion I have not added. I will add it at the final stage. Saute these vegetables for few minutes in high flame. The flame should be high while frying these vegetables. Now I have added little salt for taste. Salt you can add as per the taste only. Now I am adding the fried chicken pieces. shallow fried chicken pieces to it. My flame is in high. And now adding the soya sauce, 1 tablespoon, and little half a spoon of chili sauce. Adding 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Now I am adding the spring onions. Fried rice means frying the rice with other vegetables. So when frying the rice, the flame should always be high. I have added few drops of vinegar to it, 3 to 4 drops, and saute the vegetables for few seconds in high flame. Now it's time to add our boiled and cooled rice. I have used a small grain bullet rice over here. You can use even basmati rice instead of this small grain rice. In most of the restaurants in India, they use basmati rice only for fried rice, but in actual Chinese fried rice, they use small grain rice. I have added some black pepper powder, around 1 spoon. Now I am frying the rice in high flame. Finally, add our fried eggs also. Just give a good mix now in high flame until the rice mixes well into the vegetables. And now it's all done. Let's give a good mix and serve the fried rice hot. Our yummy chicken fried rice, Chinese restaurant style chicken fried rice. Now the everyone's favorite chicken fried rice is ready. It really goes well with chicken Manchurian. The chicken Manchurian recipe is coming in my upcoming video. So stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates. See you in